The Speakeasy Challenge is a professional development opportunity for UNB graduate students to gain experience speaking about their research in front of an audience of peers from across disciplines with diverse expertise. Maybe you're used to such discussions within a department or specialized group, but moving forward in your career, whether quoting funders, potential employers, speaking at conferences, assembling diverse teams, or generating public interest in your work, the ability to communicate what your research is about and why it is meaningful to a broader audience is essential. And it only comes with practice. So, Graduate Student Association and Harriet Irving Library Research Commons invite you to get a little more practice in with a 15-minute big picture presentation on your research in progress. The format is up to you. It can be a PowerPoint, multimedia, unscripted, interactive, singing, dancing, anything that works for you. This is intended to be a fun and low-pressure way to learn from one another about all the amazing research happening at UNB, and to receive feedback on how your message translates to non-experts in your field. Remember, fortune favors the brave.